Let's talk about how to record internal audio without external audio on Mac. In fact, to solve this problem, you do need a third-party software to get this problem done. The good news is that you can use a completely free software called LitLink to get this problem out of the way. So simply head over to litpads.app/litlink and then download LitLink for free. Once downloaded, open it up and then make sure where it says System Audio Passthrough that this is actually toggled on. And for the output device, you need to make sure that this is set to the actual output device that you're currently using on your Mac. So in my case, I'm using a MacBook Pro, so MacBook Pro speakers here actually make sense. Now what this does is it will actually route all system audio to both your speakers and LitLink audio bridge, which is our virtual audio driver. Now as you only want system audio to be reflected, this is all you should do in LitLink. When you go to your sound settings now, you can either find that here in the menu bar. You can see in my case this is not the case. So another way to get there is to simply click here on Spotlight and search for sound. And you should then find it right here. And then under output, you will see that it then says LitLink plus speakers. So that is the one that should be selected. And actually that is what happens automatically after you are toggling on System Audio Passthrough here in LitLink. Depending on the output device that you selected right here, it might read a little bit differently here. And that's it for these two settings right here. Now, all that is left for us to do is to actually make sure that when you're recording something, be that in QuickTime, OBS, or any other recording software, is that you will make sure to select LitLink Audio Bridge as your input. In QuickTime, for example, when you go to New Screen Recording and then click on Options, just make sure to select LitLink Audio Bridge. And then when you hit record, you will see that only your system audio from your Mac is actually recorded. No background noise, no microphone noise, or any room noise. Even if you're recording with another recording software, just always make sure that the input is set to LitLink Audio Bridge and it should work in the very same way. And that's it guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a good one. Bye.